Which foundational configuration in Oracle HCM defines legal entities, business units, and departments? Enterprise structure. What does position synchronization do in core HR? It automatically updates worker assignment attributes based on the changes made at the position level. How does conditional task assignment function within journeys? It assigns specific tasks to a user only if they meet certain criteria, such as their country or job family. What are waitlists in Learning Cloud? A feature that allows employees to sign up for a full course offering and automatically join if a spot opens up. What is the purpose of reference data sets in Oracle HCM Cloud? To share or restrict data, such as departments or jobs, across different business units. What is the purpose of custom formulas in workforce compensation? To automate complex calculations for merit increases, bonuses, or budget distribution based on business rules. Which tool allows for Git-based version control of Oracle HCM extensions? Visual Builder Studio, VBS. What is auto-provisioning in Oracle Security? The automatic assignment of roles to users based on predefined rules related to their job, location, or BU. What do total compensation statements provide to employees? A comprehensive view of their full value of pay, including base salary, bonuses, benefits, and equity. What is the function of a standard pipeline in Recruiting Cloud? To manage a continuous flow of candidates for high-volume roles that are always active. What is the function of a worksheet in workforce compensation? A digital workspace where managers allocate merit increases and bonuses to their direct reports during a cycle. In Oracle Journeys, what is the purpose of task libraries? To store reusable tasks such as document uploads or URL links that can be added to various journey templates. Which ORC feature allows recruiters to gather additional details from a candidate after their initial application? Request information. In BI Publisher, what is bursting? The process of splitting a single report into multiple files and delivering them to different recipients, e.g., emailing individual payslips. What is a grade ladder? A sequence of grades used to manage career progression and corresponding pay rates within an organization. What are talent pools in the context of succession planning? Groups used to track and develop high-potential employees for future leadership roles. Which tool is used to configure approval workflows for HR transactions like hires or transfers? BPM, Business Process Management. In core HR, what is the employment model? The configuration that determines the relationship between a person, their work relationship, and their assignments. What is a salary basis? A configuration that links a worker's base pay to a grade rate and defines the frequency and currency of the salary. What is an Oracle Learning specialization? A grouping of several related courses that an employee must complete to master a specific skill set. What are non-catalog items in Oracle Learning Cloud? External or informal learning activities that are tracked in an employee's learning history, but not part of the internal catalog. What is the main purpose of the HCM Data Loader, HDL? To perform bulk data migrations, updates, and legacy system conversions for complex HCM objects. What are the two primary building blocks of a candidate selection process, CSP, in Recruiting Cloud? Phases and states. What component of performance management defines the sections, rating scales, and processing flows of an evaluation? Performance templates. In Oracle Recruiting Cloud, ORC, what is a talent community? A mechanism for potential candidates to express interest in the company without applying for a specific active job. What is the purpose of Visual Builder Studio, VBS, in Oracle Cloud? To create and manage extensions, custom pages, and user experience modifications for the Redwood UI. In workforce compensation, what is the role of eligibility profiles? To define the criteria, such as grade, tenure, or location, that determine which employees are included in a compensation cycle. How does HSDL, HCM Spreadsheet Data Loader, differ from HDL? HSDL allows business users to load data via Excel-based spreadsheets for simpler objects like workforce structures. What is the primary difference between OTBI and BI Publisher? OTBI uses pre-built subject areas for real-time analysis, while BI Publisher uses SQL queries for highly formatted documents. What is the role of Oracle Guided Learning, OGL? To provide step-by-step, in-app guidance to help users navigate and complete HCM tasks. What defines a custom duty role in Oracle Security? A role that groups a set of permissions for specific tasks or functional areas to be assigned to job roles. What is the difference between a job and a position in Oracle HCM? A job is a generic role, e.g., manager, whereas a position is a specific instance of a job within a department, e.g., finance manager. Which technical tool is best for creating interactive dashboards for HR leadership using subject areas? OTBI, Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence. Which Oracle recruiting feature manages the branding and candidate-facing interface of the Careers portal? Careers Site Development. Which talent management tool uses a 9-box grid to compare performance against potential? Talent Review Meetings. What is an RTF template in the context of BI Publisher? A rich text format file used to design the layout and formatting of a report output. What are grade rates? The minimum, midpoint, and maximum salary values associated with a specific grade. What is the purpose of calibration in performance management? To ensure that managers apply rating standards consistently and fairly across the organization. In talent management, what are goal plan sets used for? To group multiple goal plans and assign them to a population of employees simultaneously. What is the role of disqualification rules in ORC? To automatically move a candidate to a rejected state if they fail to meet specific pre-screening criteria. Which tool is used to send automated, rule-based notifications to users based on specific HCM data changes? Alert Composer. What are model profiles in Oracle Profile Management? Templates used to define the requirements and competencies for specific jobs or positions. What is the primary function of Descriptive Flex Fields, DFF, in Oracle HCM? To capture additional, unique business data on standard Oracle pages that is not provided by default. What are subject areas in OTBI? Collections of related data attributes like workforce management, worker assignment, used to build reports. Which term describes the categorization of courses into ILT, VLT, or e-learning and learning cloud offerings? What is the purpose of individual compensation plans? To allow managers to award one-off payments, such as spot bonuses or car allowances, outside of a regular compensation cycle. What is the purpose of knockout questions in a job application flow? To automatically disqualify candidates who do not meet essential job requirements early in the process. Which document type defines the logic for conditional routing in an ORC selection process? Candidate Selection Process Rules. What is AOR, Area of Responsibility, Based Security? A method of securing data based on an individual's assigned scope, such as a specific department or location they manage. What is Readiness Assessment in Succession Planning? An evaluation of how soon a candidate will be prepared to step into a target role, e.g., ready now versus ready in 2 years. What are data roles in Oracle HCM Security? Roles that combine a job role with a security profile to define what data a user can see, e.g., HR Analyst for UK. In Oracle Learning, what is blended learning? A training approach that combines online digital content with traditional instructor-led sessions. Which feature in Learning Cloud is used to manage a sequence of learning items for a specific career goal? Learning paths. What is Redwood UX in Oracle HCM? Oracle's latest user experience design standard that provides a modern, consistent, and conversational interface. In talent management, what are check-ins? Frequent, informal discussions between a manager and employee to track progress outside of formal review periods.